Welcome to another video. This is the Satoshi airdrop. Now this airdrop, as you can see, once you get here, you just tap on this claim so that you'll be able to claim what you have mined so far. So I'll tap on it to claim, and then as you can see there, it is OEX. It is OEX. So your balance will be here and the airdrop time. You would also realize that when I come here, once you register, you just come to project and then you join the project, a project that is still airdropping. So as you can see from here, we have some projects here, but this one, the current status of this is airdropping. Oh no, not that. The current status is airdropping, and so you can join that one. Because I've already joined it, that is why I'm not seeing anything. But if you check here, you realize that this one is already completed. So we are not interested in the completed ones. We are interested in the one which says the current status is airdropping. So, and it is the OEX. So the current status is airdropping. But look at the estimated time. It is starting on April 13th. So that is when it is starting. So you can claim, continue to mine, and when on April 14th you get your chance to withdraw and get value for what you are doing. So I will leave the description of this in the comment section. Make sure you join, and then join the Telegram group as well. That is where I put a lot of content for you to also enjoy. Don't forget that this has been Earning with SUPERJCYBS. God bless you. There are lots of links here. There are lots of content here. You get a chance to leave comments, and we enter into a discussion over here. So this is the channel, and this is the discussion group where we have a lot of discussions. So God bless you. Make sure you follow this account and subscribe to this account. Let us get more followers, and then we enter into a live session all the time. It has been Earning Ways with SUPERJCYBS. God bless you.